First we have to take this like this and remove all the tags from every sides and remove into two pieces, and take the big sides and keep separately and small separately, and take one, big side and small side, and fix it. Press it. You have to press like this. Similar, same from other side. Fix it. Okay. And then reverse it. And important thing is to keep the handle in the same positions. Same position. Keep the handle in the same position. Whatever it is in the bottom side, it should be same side. Should come in the same side. Okay, press it. This side. Then all fixed, sides and all fixed. Then keep the bottom. This is called bottom, and fix it. Keep it down and take that sides and fix it on that bottom. This is also very important. Handle should be come on the top side. That handle. And then keep it like this, and also watch it carefully and all the sides, and press it equally from all the corners. Press it, and then finally the top portion, keep like this and press it. Keep it. Keep it. Okay, press it equally. That's all. The box is over. This is the gate of the box. Sliding gate. This is the procedure of the cage fitting.